Hello, you guys. It's over Amazing Prosper. How you doing? So in this video, I have some interesting things to share with you guys, which is called my perfect entry and exit strategy that I use to make the market. Yes, this is crazy. You know why? Because if you don't understand how to get in or get out in the market, you always lose money or always complain and get angry whenever you miss opportunity. So, and missing opportunity where you didn't get in is very good. It's very perfect than when you get in but you don't know how to exit your trade because you don't know what the market is doing at that moment. Yeah, it's very critical that some people don't know how to get in and some people don't know how to exit. Some people can get a perfect entry, maybe a perfect low or a perfect air when they are selling, or perfect low when they are buying, but they don't know how to get out from the market, or they don't know when the market says it's enough, take that, this is what I can afford. They just try to say, okay, I've gotten this low, the market is going to be trading. No, market doesn't move like a train. Yeah, market moves, come back, moves, come back, like a pool, like a main pool, a retracement, a mempool, a retracement, or push. I don't know whatever you want to call it, but market doesn't move like straight line. It moves like a wave. So you have to understand when to get in or get out, or when you are trading on the right trend, or when you are trading according to the trend, or when you are trading a pullback. So no matter the strategy that you are using, if you don't understand how to get in or get out, ladies and gentlemen, you are not doing it well, and you are not going to make much money in the long run, because whenever you are doing trading based on your feelings or based on what you hear people say or based on what you think that is going to happen, you are going to lose money. In the forex market, you don't think, you apply your plan, because what you have is your trading plan. What you have is that plan and your capital, and the market is designed to take that capital from you. Yeah, that's what it is. The market is designed to take your capital from you. If you don't know how to take money from the market, you are going to give the market. So let's go directly to the chart. Let me share with you guys how I'm using my exit and entry strategy. See you.
To my chart. So this is my chart. Yeah, so there is something going to happen right here. This is a very amazing place about what I told you guys, how to get in and get out on the trade. Yeah, as I said earlier on this video, that if you are trading, if you do not know how to get in or get out, you are going to be losing money. So this is a practical example of what I'm trying to show you guys. This is you can see this for amazing for from here. So where I'll be getting out. So let me remove this line. Is here on this psychology level. So I'm a psychology trader, like price action trader, but I use psychology levels to get in and get out of my trade to determine where I'm going to get in and get out. So I'm going to be getting out from here, this psychology level. For upon the psychology level, what I also that I'll be looking at for before I get in on before I get out is weak rejections. Like you can see that literally you can see that this kind of a thing here. These things. Once I start seeing these things on psychology levels, I will get out. It's called weak rejection. So simple. Let me show you guys how it's been done on a drawing mode. Yeah, so if I'm trading right now and hold on, hold on. So you have to understand price action before you get in on a trade. If you want to buy or sell, for me, what I look out for is this M and W. There is M. That's what is called chart pattern. Chart pattern. The next one is this. This one is the next one. This is chart pattern. So I must see these things on psychology level before I get in or get out. The next other thing that I'm going to be looking at is trend line. Trend line. So trend lines are the tools that we use. I know you guys already know. So trend lines are the tools that we use as a technical trader to find out where the trend is going. Is it up or down? Example of trend line is this. You can see example of trend line. These are trend line. These are trend line. You can see where it's coming from. So for a trend line to be valid, you have to know that a trend line have to be touching 212 or 2 peak. So this is where there is a one from here, and this is the next one. So from here, you can see it's touching here. One, it's touching, hold on, it's touching one, two. So it's touching one, two, three. So the next one is here. If this market come down to this trend line here that is here now, I'll be looking for an opportunity. So once the market close here, what else that I'm going to be looking is candlestick formation. Yeah, candlestick formation. That's what next I will be looking at from here. So before I will look out for candlestick formation, I'll be looking out for this chart pattern, which is M and W, which is the chart pattern that I'm trading, or you can call it double top or double bottom. This is double top here. This is double bottom. Example of it is this: one, two, 1, 2 on a psychology level. This is double top. Once I see this here, I will get in for a sell opportunity, and that is what is still happening here right now. That's what is still happening here right now. But I'm not getting in on this way because there is a news coming up. The time is 13:22 UTC plus 1. So there is a news coming up on around 1:30. So I'm not getting in on this trade. I'll just watch the trade to play out. Yeah, you know that trading is probability game. Nobody knows what is going to happen next, but you have to get in first for you to confirm what is going to happen next, and what not. For you to confirm what is going to happen next, you have to get in on the trade. So the next thing that I will be looking out for if I'm going to get in on this trade now is candlestick formation. So example of candlestick formation that I see before I get in is this. Look at here. I got this trade on Tuesday. So the thing that I see before I get in on the trade candlestick that I see is hammer. This is a hammer candlestick here. I wait for this one, and you can see purely that this is a chart pattern, which is W on the psychology level. What else can you see there? A trend line. There's a trend line here, which is the bigger trend, and not this one, the bigger one here, and you see a hammer formation. That's where I got in. I got in on this pullback here. That's where I got in on this candle. So the market took me out. The market carried me up, and I made money from here. I made profit from this trade, but I hop out early. I didn't know that it's going to go here, but no regret as long as I made money. So I hop out on upon these weak rejections here because I'm up about 50 something percent, then 50%, 50 something pips. That's what I always target on a trade whenever I'm in a trade. Yeah, because I was thinking that it's going to respect this high that is here, but it didn't respect. It was going up, running to the upside. Yeah, and that was continuation of this uptrend that is happening here. So, but that is trading. So let me show you guys the example of candlestick formation. So you just go over here on Google and you search candlesticks patterns. Yeah, candlestick patterns. Oh, hold on. There is something on here that I need to. Sorry. 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 So let's search for candlestick pattern. Yeah, so if you go over here, you go over here, just take your time and search for things that you really need for yourself. Go over here, you search for things that you really need for yourself. So you can see candlestick patterns dictionary. If you go here, you view it, you see many things that you need to see. For me, what I watch out for candlesticks are bullish candlestick that I watch out is the hammer, the hanging man, bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing, or morning stars. This is candlestick that you have to looking out for. Bullish, all those ones. But funny enough, I don't necessarily have to know the meaning of or the names of their names. All I have to have it is in my mind whenever I see them. So that's why it's also important for you to practice every day. Don't go out from the chart. Always practice on the chart. Always stay on the chart. Always be on your chart steady. So let me see if I can see some examples to show you guys how I get in and get out. Remember, how I get in is on psychology level, and where I get out is on psychology level too. So this is example again. Here you can see this is an example of this sale that is happening here. If you go down to 15 minutes, hold on. Okay, I think it's far from here. Okay, this is here. Okay, what about this here? What about here? What can you see here? A chart pattern W, and trend line here, psychology level close by, and it took me up. And the market take me up to the upside. So let me see if I can see other one. Okay, here, see this one. What can you see here? Chart pattern. Everywhere that you see that I get in, you must see a chart pattern which is double top or double bottom. And where do you see that I get out from this place? It's psychology level. This is a pure of what I'm trying to show you guys. Psychology level. If you go down on 55 minutes, you can see a multiple weak rejection over there. 15 minutes. Sorry, this is 15. This is 5 minutes. That's why it's so noisy. Yeah, you can see a weak rejection. That's some of the things that I see. And you can see that this candle was trying to push down here, but it didn't. So I got out from this trade on this weak rejection because I saw this and I know that there is a problem here. That's where I hopped out on this trade. So this is pure simple how I get in and get out on my trade. Chart pattern, candlestick formation, and I use psychology level to find out where I will get in and where I will get out. So psychology level work for me as a support and resistance zone or supply and demand zone. So that will be all.
So guys, that's how I use my perfect entry and exit strategy to trade. Very easy things to do. So when you are trading, you have to understand when to get in and understand when to get out, and understand when the market is saying this is the right moment and this is the not the right moment. So if you don't know that, you are going to be losing money in the trading. If you're a newbie and you are considering to level up your chart, sorry, if you're a newbie and you are considering to get in on a pro firm and you are thinking which of the pro firm is good and better to get in or to use, I recommend consumer traders. They are wonderful and great. So I'm trading with them and you can get in. Use the link description below and get in and get a good one. Like it can start from 5k evaluation account, and the reason why I like the evaluation account is unlimited trading days, because you can just stay and trade on your own terms and how you want it. You don't have to be rushing to meet up any target. The only target that you have to rush to meet up is your 8% and 5% phase one and phase two. When you get to the live account, you can make as much as money you want and you can withdraw as much as you can. Yes, so see you in the next video. If you are new here, please consider click that like button, subscribe and turn on your bell notification for your boy. See you in the next video. Peace out.